Hello and welcome to this short video. Today I'm going to show you how you easily can mine Ripple. So first of all, therefore you need a wallet. If you have one, just take that one. If you don't, click on the first link in the description and download the Exodus wallet. So just press download, install it, and then we can open it. So that's how it should look like when you opened it. And then you just go on wallet, search for Ripple, click on XRP, and there we go. And then press receive and copy this address and save it there. And of course, if you have another wallet, just use your just use that address then. So next we need our mining program. Therefore you have to check if you have a GPU over or under 4 GB. So if it's under 4 GB, take that, click on that link, and if it's over 4 GB or 4 GB, click on that link. So I got one over 4 GB, so I take that link, click on it, and download it. So it takes a few seconds. Then we can show it here. Already tested it before, so we just download that one. Press extract all, extract, and there we go. Double click, and now we go and start. Click right, edit, more info, run anyway. So and now that's our code, and the only thing we have to change is your XRP address. So here we just put in the address we copied earlier. Yeah, and that's it. File, save as, here collect all files and replace it. Yeah, that's already it. Now we can already start mining. We just go here again and press start bet. Allow access. And now mining process is starting. It takes some time till the GPU starts mining. So here you see how far you're at already. And then you will also see your hash rate. We can just wait a bit, few seconds. There we go. And now we see, okay, we're just mining with 21, with a hash rate of 21 right now. That's because I'm recording at the same time. But yeah, that's it. And now the question is, how are we getting all the stuff into our wallet address now, and how can we see how much we are mining? So therefore we go click on this link, and first of all we can check here, for example, how much we earning by mining. So currently we only have a hash rate of 21, so we would earn around 2 to 3 Ripple per day. Yeah, but now we want to see how much we already mined and get it onto our account. Therefore we have to copy our address again and put it on here. Search for it, and there we can see we already mined 1.38 Ripple. Here we can select if we want to pay out automatically or just when we want to. We have to mine minimum 10 XRP. So if you have a hash rate like me right now, then it would be like 3 days of mining. And yeah, here we can see what's our current hash rate. So we can see here 22.58. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you. If you have any questions, then just ask them in the comments. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.